Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're logged in and at Online Store Themes. Now begin by locating the theme you want to change. Click Customize to open the theme editor so you can see live sections. Once done, use actions to duplicate the theme first. This protects your live store. Make sure to name the duplicate clearly so you can revert. This first step prevents accidental downtime and lets you experiment without affecting customers. You now edit content in the theme editor, update sections, move blocks, and change templates. Change global settings like colors and typography so the look stays consistent. Preview both mobile and desktop to catch layout breaks. If you need custom assets, upload images, fonts, or scripts via theme files. Once satisfied, test navigation, add to cart flow, and checkout appearance. Make incremental saves and retest each critical interaction to ensure nothing breaks before publishing. When your changes are finalized, publish the theme to make it live. Actions Publish will replace the storefront. After publishing, verify by clearing browser cache and checking in an incognito window to avoid cached assets. Monitor analytics and test purchases to confirm functionality. If something goes wrong, revert to the duplicated theme or open Actions Edit code to inspect recent Liquid or CSS changes. For common display problems, clear asset cache and re-upload optimized images. That usually resolves layout glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.